Hello CP Tech Stuff. Today I'm recording on my camera instead of my phone, just right in front of me, and I'll show you why. I broke my phone, it fell off my nightstand, and hit something metal that was on the floor, which is my heater. So for about the past week I've been using the LG on the right. I'm sorry if the audio sounds weird, I'm having to re-record this because my camera audio was awful. But this is my Galaxy 9 Plus. I've had it for 2 years approximately. Bought it in 2019, renewed from Amazon. Back glass has been broken for a while. Didn't hurt anything. But when it hit the rivet on my heater, or radiator, it shattered the front screen. So now the digitizer doesn't work. You can see the damage right there. It's camera roll focus, right? You can also kind of see the spider-webbed cracks. Was not a fun time. For the past week, I've been using my LG X Venture. I've had that thing since at least 2017. It runs okay, but it's very old and very slow. Today is going to be a review, comparison, and unboxing video. And let's get this thing opened up, shall we? Alright, so I bought this thing factory unlocked from Amazon. I bought another box too at the same time. It's the Galaxy A42 5G. It was in my top 3 options. It's got the infamous quad camera from the, I think the Arnold Schwarzenegger phone cover meme. It was, I think, $500. I will double check that. OtterBox Symmetry case, fairly reasonable price. It's factory sealed, factory unlocked. It's not renewed. This one is silver, and it's still got the plastic on it. Comes with the phone charger, USB Type-C, Samsung fast charger. So next I'll go through the setup procedures and see if I can't transfer everything over from my old phone, which I will have to do using an on-the-go cable, since the digitizer is broken and the touchscreen doesn't work. There it goes. And now we gotta start setting it up. Alright, I've got it charged up while I'm updating everything, and I've got it all signed in. And here is my old phone with the on-the-go cable. And I'm having to use my laptop mouse, which is wireless, to enter my PIN number, which it appears as cursor on the screen. If it wasn't for the broken touchscreen, the phone would probably be just fine, but I have to get in there to get to my Google Authenticator codes and also do some authentication. See the chandelier in the back, in the reflection there. And of course Google is going to ask me if I'm trying to sign a new device, which I have to confirm through this phone. And I'm going to have to redo the app layout on this new phone. And the touchscreen still warming up, I guess. For the most part, very easy to set up. And I'm going to pull up the specs of this phone and my old 2 phones, and we're going to see how big of a difference they are. record this again, so I'll make this short and sweet. In conclusion, after about a week or so, this is a half-decent phone. I haven't really played with the camera much yet. I expect it to actually do pretty well, though. The OtterBox does make it bulky. Overall, it is a bigger phone, especially lengthwise. And it's got about the same width as the Venture. It doesn't fit in pockets too great. Aside from that, performance-wise, other than a little bit of lag in some apps, it goes pretty good. It's supposed to have 6 gigs of RAM, so internet it does pretty good. It connects to Wi-Fi very easily. I've had no problems with Samsung stuff or Google stuff on it. Once I got everything synced over, and overall, for an unlocked phone made in the last 2 years for $500, $400, I'll correct that. Pretty good deal. I mean, it's no A51 or A71, but for the money, it's pretty decent. So if you're looking for a new phone that's unlocked from the factory, and you get about $500 to spend, I would definitely consider the A42 5G. And invest in a good protection case. CB Tech stuff out.